Evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
madam.
Evening, madam.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, so due to the disturbance of yesterday, what we have done is we have started the class today, okay? But the next time we won't have class on Saturday, okay? So as I already said, we have discussed about parts of speech, okay? Parts of speech are also called as word classes. There are 8 types of parts of speech. They are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. So we have already dealt with the noun, pronoun, verb. So in today's class, we will be starting about adjectives. Okay, we won't discuss about verbs, nouns, pronouns again. We will be directly starting about adjectives. So, can anyone say me what adjectives are?
Adjective
Describe
describe the quality and quantity of
Style,
noun.
shape, quality, quantity of a noun or pronoun.
Very good. Adjectives
It
describe
also
the quality
describes
and
time,
quantity of a noun
color,
or
numbers,
yes.
and shape.
Yeah. So as I already said, adjectives are nothing but they describe about the quality and quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Yes. And adjectives are also the names of sizes, colors, numbers, and shapes. Okay. Adjectives are also the names of sizes, colors, shapes, and numbers. So, yeah, if you can see this, can you all see the screen?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes.
No, madam, not looking.
Yes.
Yes. Can you all see
Not
now?
looking, madam.
The adjectives part.
Not looking, madam.
Aradhya, you have some network issue, Aradhya. Yeah. So adjectives are nothing but they describe the quality and quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Here, quality means we will not say about it is cotton or it is polyester or something. We say whether the thing is beautiful or not, whether the thing is ugly or not, whether the thing is good or not. Okay, in this way, we will describe
Madam,
the
this
quality
right,
of.
madam.
Yes, ma?
This right, madam, now.
No, do not write anything. Just listen to me. In the class, do not write anything, okay? I'll send you the PDF in the WhatsApp. You can check it later. Okay. Then adjectives will also say the quantity of a noun. For example, if you go to a shop and ask them to give some milk, will you say, Uncle, thoda doodh de do? You won't say like this, right? What will you say? You will say, Uncle, give me half liter of milk, or Uncle, give me 1 liter of milk. Here, what are you doing? You are saying the quantity of something. Yes, you are describing the quantity of something. Am I right? Are you all listening to me? Yeah. So that is an adjective. And adjectives are also names of sizes, shapes, colors, and numbers. There are numerous sizes in our earth, numerous shapes are there, numerous colors, and Many infinite numbers are there. For example, we have rectangle as shape, circle as shape, triangle, oval, sphere, square. All these are what? All these are shapes. Can you give me some examples of sizes?
Large.
Size. Size.
5 inches.
No, how will you say 5 inches is a size, ma? Sizes are like long, tall,
Long, short,
yeah, short. Yeah,
short,
those
tall.
are what? Those are sizes. Can you give me some examples of colors? Not pink, red, some other colors which we have not heard till now. Violet. Yeah, violet.
Purple.
Purple. Okay. We have beige.
Indigo.
You ever see beige?
Silver.
Silver. Okay, indigo. Okay. Gold.
Olive green.
Okay. So all these are what? All these are nothing but names of some colors. So even these are nothing but adjectives. And in English language, we have 5 types of adjectives. They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, numbers, demonstrative adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. We also have another type of adjective, that is possessive adjective. Can anyone say me what is the meaning of possessive? Possessive.
Ownership.
Yeah, the thing
Ownership.
you own. For example,
Possession.
your dresses, you own it. You won't allow your siblings to get that. Or your chocolates, or anything, whatever you own has some possessiveness. And then adjectives of quality. Please let me know if you can see this adjectives of quality.
No,
No, madam.
Wait, just a second.
Madam, we can see adjectives, madam.
Yeah. Can you all see now?
No.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay. So adjectives of quality. What work do adjectives of quality do? They will say how the thing is. Okay. What kind of thing it is. Like what kind of person he is. What kind of place it is. For example, if you see, even in Mahbubnagar, there are few places which are very good. Yes, there are all employed peoples there. Okay, and there are very few places in Mahbubnagar where people live like slum areas. Okay, they do not have any proper hygiene. They do not bath themselves. They do not brush. They'll roam here and there. Yes, in every town, in every city, we have these kind of things. So here, if a thing which describes about a thing or a person or a place is an adjective. Adjective of quality will say how it is. For example, if you see the example there, Somaya is a lazy person. How is Somaya? Yeah,
Lazy.
Yeah, he is
Lazy.
lazy person. Yeah, he is lazy person. What am I doing here? I am describing the quality of Somaya. What am I doing here? I am describing the quality of Somaya. How is he?
Somaya.
He is very lazy.
He is
Okay,
lazy.
and then if you see the second example, she has a black horse. What type of horse does she have?
Black.
Yeah,
Black.
So this is all about adjectives of quality. They answer the question what kind of or what type of. Okay, kind, type, all these are same. All these are synonyms. Got everyone? Is this clear?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so let us go for adjectives of quantity. Can everyone see this?
Yes, madam.
Madam, not looking, madam.
Now,
Yes, madam.
No, madam. Correct,
Yeah.
ma'am.
so
Correct.
Madam, you are in mute.
yeah.
Yes, madam.
So let us start about adjectives of quantity. Here in the word itself, you have the meaning quantity. Quantity means what? Weight of something. Yes, weight of something. For example, even if you are buying a book, you'll check how many pages are there. Yes, is it of 10 pages or a 160 page or 200 pages? You will check and then you will buy. Okay, if it is end of the year, then you will be taking some like a book which has only few papers. If it is a start of the year, you will be buying new books, right? Which has very good quantity. Even now you have finished the schools, yes. Then next year for 7th class or for 8th or for 9th, what will you guys do? You'll buy heavy books. Yes, why? Why do you buy heavy books? Because you don't want to buy again and again and you want to write all those things in one book. Yes, but if you go for the last of the year, for example in March or February, what you guys will do, you will take very small books, because you will be like 2 months అయితే book అయిపోతుంది కదా మనకి మళ్ళీ books ఎవరు యూజ్ చేస్తారు. Yes, you will be thinking all these things and you will buy very small notebook. You won't buy the book which has very thick thing. So here adjectives of quantity will answer the question how much or how many. For example, if you go to a shop, you will say, uncle, give me 5 chocolates, or uncle, give me some milk, or uncle, give me little amount of okay. You are going to a shop and you are asking your father, give me some amount. Okay, give me some amount so that I can buy chocolate. He will be like, okay, take only 2 rupees. And then you will be like, 2 rupees came, so that's a chocolate. So you will be asking him some more amount. Yes or no? You will be asking him, you will be convincing him to give some more amount. Here, adjectives of quantity will never say the exact amount. Okay. You will ask your father, daddy konni paisal ivandi. But you will not say, daddy give me 500 rupees or daddy give me 100 rupees ani particular ga meer chepparu. Okay. Adjectives of quantity lo particular ga chepparu. Got it, everyone? Here, some examples
Yes.
of adjectives of quantity are some, any, little, much, sufficient, insufficient, enough, all, whole. All these are nothing but adjectives of quantity. Can you see the next slide? Adjectives of number.
Yes, ma'am.
So this adjectives of number will say the exact amount of something. If suppose you are going to, you have went to a shop and then you will ask, uncle, 10 rupees the bingo chips ivandi, or uncle, 10 rupees the Lay's chips ivandi. Yes, you are saying the exact amount there, right? You are saying the exact amount. Then it is adjective
Madam?
of number. Yeah. Yes,
I
ma'am?
see the adjective. Okay.
Is there anything wrong, Sneh?
No, madam. No, it is okay.
Okay, fine. So here, adjectives of number will say the question, will answer the question, how many or how much of something there is. If suppose your mother asks you, how many chapatis are left in the box? You will count it and you will say the exact number. Yes, you won't say, mummy, konni unnai le ippudu saripotadi. Then your mother will beat on your head and then she will say, enni unnai cheppu correct ga. Yes, you will be counting it and you will be saying the exact number. So the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number is, adjectives of quantity will not say the exact amount. Okay, exact amount eppudu cheppadu. Whereas adjectives of number will say the exact number of something. Okay, exact number of something. For example, if you have got first rank in the class, you will be saying, mummy, nenu first vachina. If you get second rank, you will be saying, mummy, I got second rank. Yes, you will be saying exact number, right? Yes, yes, Nakshatra. Adjectives of quantity are nothing but you will get, you are not sure how much amount you need or how much amount of something you need. For example, you are eating and you are eating biryani and biryani is very tasty. First, what will you say? Mummy, mummy, koncham pettu. Okay, you will be saying something like this and then you will finish. And again, you are very hungry. What will you say? Mummy, inka koncham pettu. Your mother will take the spoon and directly serve you. She won't count how many grains you put in your plate, right? Will she count that? She won't count. That is adjectives of quantity. Okay, manam count cheyakunda direct ichestam. Ippudu even if you are buying water, even if you are going to buy milk, they won't count you how many drops of milk they have poured into your utensil. Yes, they'll just count a half liter, 1 liter. It will become a adjective of number.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, yes, adjectives of number. Adjectives of number will say exact number of something. Got everyone? If see, how many chapatis will you guys eat? Varshit, how many chapatis will you eat?
2.
Okay, Snehit.
Madam, 2.
Okay, Hurya.
Madam, 2, madam.
Okay, Nakshatra.
2, madam.
Hiba.
1.5.
Okay, Aradhya.
3 eat, madam.
Wow. Vaishnavi.
2, ma'am.
Okay. Dikshita. Say loudly. Abhinaya. 2. Manaswini. 2. Okay. So everyone is like, most of the people we are saying that they will eat only 2 chapatis. If suppose that the curry is very, very, very tasty and your mother has not cooked rice. Okay. And you have gone to some function, there is no rice. Okay. And then you are only about to eat chapatis. And the curry is very tasty. How many will you eat? Only 2? No, never. If suppose curry is good, you will be eating 3 or 4 sometimes. If curry is not good, 1 chapati kabba. Chalu ee rojki odde oddu naku inka ani anpistadi. Yes. So sometimes whenever you are very exact about something, then it will become adjectives of number. If sometimes you are not sure about something, it will become adjectives of quantity. Clear everyone? Okay.
Yes,
Let
madam.
us move to next slide. Demonstrative adjectives. Did everyone get this? Yeah. So demonstrative adjectives. See, we have already done with demonstrative pronouns, right? It will point at something. Okay. If you are pointing at something with your index finger and showing something, not only with your index finger, you can show any other finger. Okay. So if you are pointing at something and showing, okay, and you are referring to it, it will become a demonstrative adjective. For example, you have the book near you, you will be saying, this is my book. Okay, this is my book. You have something which is very, very far to you, and then you will say, that is my dress. That is, you are showing a very, very far, and then you are saying, that is my dress. If some things, okay, not only one, more than one are there in front of you, you will say, these are my things. These are my things. If there are many things which are very far to you, and then you will say, those are my things. Okay, those are my things. This, if you can see here, I have written, yeah. Can everyone say this? This is used
Yes,
for
madam.
something which is very near and which is singular in nature. Okay, this is used for things which is very near and is singular. Singular means only one. That is used when something is very, very far to you and it is only one in number. Okay, only one in number. And the next is these. These is used to show something which are very near and are plural. Sorry. Here the thing is not right. Can you say this?
Yes.
Wait. Just give me a second. Can everyone see this now?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So if the thing is very near to you, then it will become this. If a thing is very far to you, it is that. If things are very near to you, it is these. If things are very far from you, then that is those. Okay. So here we have demonstrative pronouns, we have demonstrative adjectives. But what work do demonstrative pronouns do and what work do demonstrative adjectives do? If you can see here, demonstrative pronoun will identify a noun. Okay, demonstrative pronouns will identify a noun. For example, if you have come to some other place, okay, for example Hyderabad or Raichur, you have went for first time and you are searching for your relative home, and then there is a person who has come. He said that this is Peter's house, this is Peter's house. What are you doing here? You are identifying a noun. House is a noun, right? House anedi okati noun. If you identify a noun, then it will become demonstrative pronoun. If you describe about a noun, for example, how is it? Is it good or bad? This is good. You'll say this is good. How is biryani? You'll say the biryani is good. Okay, this biryani is good. Then what are you doing here? You are describing the noun. Here, if you see the example, this chair is broken. Here, what are you doing? You are describing about the chair, whether it is good in condition or bad in condition. Got everyone? Yes? Okay, so let us go for next slide. The next slide is interrogative adjectives. Okay, the thing is interrogative. In the word itself, we can imagine that interrogative means asking questions. Yes, we also have interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are the same thing. What, which, when, where, why, who, and why, how. Yes, ma'am.
Interrogative questions will start from only WH, madam.
No, even how will come under WH. Yeah, you cannot add CAN. Can I go there? Can is also used as some thing to ask question, right? You cannot ask this. Only WH questions will come under this. Okay, can, could, would, may I or might. You cannot all use all these words. Might, may, can will become modal verbs again. Okay. So interrogative adjectives are used only to ask question. Okay, question about whom, about noun. For example, what is his name? What is his name? Here, what is an adjective? Okay, what is his name? And where did you put it? Where did you put it? It means what? Where did you put it? What does it mean? Yeah, even you can speak in your language.
वो किधर रखे?
Yes, very good. So something which you have placed somewhere and then other person has come and they are asking, where did you put it? Adi ekkad bettaru? Wo kidhar rakhe? Yes, all these are what, where did you put it? So these are nothing but interrogative adjectives. I am saying it again, everyone, listen to me. Adjectives describe the quality and quantity of a noun or a pronoun. For example, beautiful, amazing, ugly, much, all these are nothing but adjectives. Adjectives are also names of sizes, shapes, colors, and numbers. Adjectives like rectangle, black, red, 5, 6, tall. There are 5 types of adjectives in English language. They are adjective of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of numbers, demonstrative adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. The first thing is demonstrative adjectives of quantity. It answers the question what kind of or what type of is something or someone. For example, Somaya is a lazy person. If a person asks you how is Somaya, then you will say Somaya is a lazy person. Next, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity will say about how much of something or how many of something is needed. They do not speak about something very exactly. Okay, oka number anedi chepparu. They'll just say something or much or much salt is needed or anything is fine. Either tea or coffee. Little sugar is needed All these are what? Adjectives of quantity. And then the next is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number will say about the exact number of something or someone. For example, I need 2 chocolates, or I need 2 chapatis. I need 2 pencils. I need 1 blue pen and 1 black pen. All these are what? Here you are saying the exact number of something. Yes, you are saying exact number of something. Then it will become adjectives of number. Then the next is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives will point at something and they say whether it is correct or not. There are only 4 adjectives, demonstrative adjectives in English. They are this, that, those, these. This is used for something which is very near and only 1 in number. That is used for something which is very far and only 1 in number. These is used for something which are very near and plural in number, more than 1. Those are used where something is very far to you and where they are very more in number. The next is interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions. WH questions will come under this. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Adjectives of number is also known for Roman numbers too. Yes. It is also known for Roman numbers. Because first, second, third, fourth, all these are ordinal numbers. And they also come under it. Please give me a second so that I can share the exercise. Can everyone see the screen?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Okay, so let
madam.
us start this, okay? This is about adjectives into adverbs. No, we do not want this. We'll do something else. I'll ask the question to each and everyone, okay? Only then you guys have to answer. You shouldn't answer until I ask your name. Yes, so let's start this. Aradhya, I watched Avengers last night. I fell asleep as the movie started. I think the movie isn't baggy enough, hot enough, warm enough, interesting enough.
Interesting.
Okay, let us check. Very good, it's correct. Next, Snehit.
Madam.
Yeah. Yes. Here is math score in 5th grade. Nobita 0, Sunio 30, Tekisugi 100, Shizuka 80, and Jian 25. Who is the okay? You have to identify in which order they have given, I guess. They haven't mentioned the question, right? Did they mention? Yeah, they have mentioned. Dekisugi is dash student in the class.
The smart.
Very good, it's correct. Okay, next, Vaishnavi. Tom Holland was born in 1996. Robert Downey Jr. was born in 1965. Zendaya was born in 1996. So Zendaya is dash Tom Holland.
As young as.
Okay. Very good. It's correct. Nakshatra. This room is dash. I cannot stay here. Too clean, too dirty, too easy, too difficult.
Too dirty.
Okay. Very good. Next, Hiba. Here is math score, the same scores they have given. They are asking about Sunya's score. Isn't dash Deki Sugi's score?
Long, no, madam. Tall, big as.
As big as? Okay, let us check. Correct. Because his score is very less. Varshit. Uncle Robert is 29 years old. Aunt Mary is 32 years old. Grandpa Phillips is 89 years old. Grandpa Phillips is dash person in my family.
Oldest.
Okay. Very good. Surya. Ted brings 5 books in his bag. Align just brings 1. So Ted bag is dash than Align's bag. Heavier, smarter, lighter, taller.
Heavier.
Okay. Very good. Rida.
Madam, you are in mute.
Yeah. So you have to check about who has got the smallest score in the class.
Nobita, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Dikshita. My school building is 10 meters high. My house is 3 meters. So my house isn't dash my school building. Dikshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's the correct answer?
As high as.
Good. Manaswini. Rana got 80 in math exam. I think Rana isn't tall enough, spicy enough, lazy enough, smart enough.
Smart enough.
Okay. It was lazy enough. Okay. Yeah, Abhinaya.
Yes.
Answer. Are you there, Abhinaya?
Lazy enough.
Okay. Okay, so only one question was wrong and then we have done everything correctly. Okay, so what you guys do is, everyone please rejoin the session so that we will have some more games. Okay? Rejoin with the same ID.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Can everyone see this?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay. So let us start. I'll be asking each question to everyone. Okay, what you guys have to do is one after the other, you have to answer me. So let's start. Varshit. I am dash. I have stayed at home for many days. Let's go out and see a movie.
I am bored.
Okay. Good. Nakshatra.
Madam.
What activities are you interested dash?
Interested on.
Interested on. Okay. Yeah, it's interested in. Always after interested, you have to use in. Okay, everyone remember this. Always after interested, you have to only use in. Surya,
Okay.
boy, what is the new teacher like? He is tall and very attractive. He looks more like a movie star than a new teacher. What's the adjective there? You can choose more than one.
Attractive,
And
tall.
okay, let's check. Even new was a adjective. Next, Snehan.
Madam,
The knife is useful. It won't cut. We should get it sharpened. Do you think it is true or false? This knife
false.
is useful. Yes. False. Let's say.
For me not.
Yeah, okay. Manaswini. Manaswini. You have to find more than one adjective. Mozart developed his musical talents at a very young age.
Talented,
Okay.
age,
Okay.
developed.
Develop. Let's see. Yeah. Whatever you said were wrong. Young and musical is correct. Next. Rida. Don't ask Jody to do anything. He is not very reliable. The last time we asked him to help us, he did not even turn up. Is it true or false? Just guess whether it is true or false.
True, ma'am.
It is correct. Next, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am.
He was a very careful driver and had never had an accident since he started driving 25 years ago. What is the adjective there, ma?
Careful.
Okay. Very good. Hiba.
Yes, madam.
Andrew was good, dash all the subjects at school.
Good at all the subjects. In.
It is correct. Dekshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. We have already finished this.
Young and musical.
Okay. Same answer, whatever we got, we have to do it again. Okay. Let's do another task. Let's start. Abhinaya. Which word in this sentence is the adjective? The teacher handed him that paper. What do you think adjective is there?
Teacher.
Abhinaya. What adjective is it? Do you think teacher is an adjective? Okay. That is an adjective, ma. That's now we have discussed, right? This, that, these, those. Aradhya.
Yes, madam.
An adjective describes a dash.
An adjective. Noun,
And
And pronoun, madam.
Okay. Good. Very good. Next. Snehit, can you buy 2 kg rice? Identify the adjective. You have to identify and you have to say whether it is adjective of quality or demonstrative adjective, quantity adjective or number, adjectives of number.
Adjective of number, madam.
Why do you think adjective of number it is?
2
You are now not counting the grains, right, ma? You are not counting the grains here, right? Okay, then next. Manaswini. Beth has on black shoes with a dress. What do you think adjective is there?
Black, madam.
Let's check. Good. Nakshatra. I like ice cream better than cake. What type of degree of comparison do you think this is?
Comparative, madam.
Okay. Very good. Next. Huria, what is your name? Identify the adjective there.
Interrogative.
Let's check. Very good. Rida. How many types of adjectives we have learned?
5, ma'am.
Let's check. Yeah, we have to also include possessive adjectives there. Okay. Dikshita, the science homework was long and difficult. Identify the adjectives there.
Difficult.
And
Long.
let's check. Very good. Then Varshit. Okay, the same question we got it again. We'll check. Yeah, how many types of adjectives we have learned? 6. Varshit, which word is the adjective in this sentence? Mr. Thomas made apple pies for dessert on the holiday. Quickly.
Vice, madam.
Pies. Which word is the adjective in this? Apple is not an adjective. There might be some error with that. Dikshita, what is an adjective? Describing word or an action word?
Describing word.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Huria, mountains are dash than hills.
Mountains are higher than hills.
Very good. Vaishnavi,
Ma'am.
you have very dash dress. You can say whatever you want.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. Okay. Here you have to write pretty. Even nice is correct, ma. Okay. Next. Snehit, I am in 5th class. Identify the adjective.
Number.
Good. See, because 2 kg of rice was wrong because we did not count the grains. Okay, number of grains. Nakshatra, I created a colorful painting. Identify the adjective there.
Colorful.
Okay. Good. Manaswini.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah is the youngest in her family. What do you think it is, a superlative degree or a comparative degree?
Superlative degree.
Let's see. Very good. Next. Okay. We got the same thing again. Yeah, they said apple, right? But apple is never an adjective, okay? Finished. Can everyone see this?
Yes, madam.
You have to fill in the blanks with correct adjectives there. Let us start with Rida. You should take a rest. You look really, they have given options, tired or tiring.
Tired.
Let's see. Manaswini. She is feeling dash, so I am suggesting that she should go home, drink warm water and go to bed early with dash music. Here, depressed or depressing?
Depressed.
Okay. With the dash music.
Realizing.
Relaxing. Let's check. Nakshatra. Mary was fascinated by Mandarin. At the first time he learned languages. She decided to practice more and now she can speak it fluently.
Mary was fascinated.
Let's check. Hiba. He looked very dash when we told him we had to change the flight because of him.
Confused.
Let's check. Worship. That film was so dash, depressed or depressing.
Depressed.
Do you think it is correct? That film was so depressed. There was no happening. Let's check. Aradhya. It's so frustrating. You have to choose whether frustrated or frustration. Frustrating. No matter how much I concentrated on his speech, I couldn't understand what he.
Frustrating.
First one or second one, ma?
Second one, madam.
Let's check. Snehit, the journey was dash. 20 hours by train made us dash. The journey was
Bored.
okay. 20 hours by train made us quickly.
Second one, madam.
Let's check. Dikshita, don't show my baby photos to others, mom. It is so embarrassed or embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
Let's check. Abhinaya, the little girl was dash when she saw a dinosaur model in museum.
First one, madam.
Let's check. Vaishnavi, she got really dashed yesterday because someone threw rubbish in front of her house.
Annoyed. First
Let's
one.
check. Rida, we were all dash when we heard about the disaster.
Horrified, ma'am.
Let's check. Dikshita, it sometimes embarrassing when you have to ask people for money.
Embarrassing.
First or second? First one or second one?
Second one, madam.
Priya, are you dash in football?
Are you interested in football?
Okay. Nakshatra, I enjoyed the football match. It was quite
Excited.
Let's check. Worship. I had never expected to be offered the job. I was really dashed when I was offered it.
Amazed.
Let's check your answers, everyone. Yeah, see here. I enjoyed the football match. It was quite exciting. See, here already they have given was, right? Yes, after was, if you go for past continuous tense, you will get V4. V4 of excite is exciting. Yeah. Snehit, the journey was boring. 20 hours by train made us exhausted. Okay, you have just said the opposite of it. Next, Varshit, that film was so depressing. You cannot say depressed. Here we got already was. So after was, what we will use? We will use V4, right? V4 of depress is depressing. Yeah. So that's all for today, everyone. Yeah. If you guys have any doubts regarding any part of speech, you can ask me now. Whatever we have taught these days, whatever I have taught these days. Do you guys have any doubt?
Madam,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't understand about relative pronoun, madam.
About relative pronoun. Okay. Relative pronoun, what it does is it will connect one sentence with other sentence. It will connect one sentence with other
Conjunction,
sentence.
madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Like conjunction, madam.
Yeah, like conjunction. It will act as a conjunction, but it is not a conjunction directly. Okay, direct and but you say manam who, whom, or which. We will use these words to relate some things. For example, he is the guy I was talking about. No. This is what I have seen that day. This is what I have seen that day. I have used what, right? What am I doing here? I am joining two words, two sentences. This is I have seen last day, or I have seen some other day. This is what I have seen some other day. You will join two sentences there using what, who, whom, whatever it is. Okay? Finished, everybody?
Madam, what is material? Madam, what is material noun, madam?
Okay, material nouns are gold, silver, water, liquid, solids, gases are material nouns.
Madam, I did not understand about reciprocal pronoun.
Reciprocal pronoun means you will talk about yourself. Okay, for example, I and Hiba helped each other. I and Hiba helped each other. What are you doing here? You have helped Hiba, Hiba has helped you. Yes? In this way, you will use some pronoun that is each other or one another. Anything else? No? Okay, so bye everyone. We'll meet on Monday again.
Bye, madam.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Madam, there is no class, madam, tomorrow.
No. There is no class. We will have again on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, madam.